For any of those who want to do the Z32 Ebrake and want to skip removing all these arms just to access the back, yeah, it makes it a little bit easier, but you can just simply remove the 4 bolts in the back that hold the hub in place, and then bolt this straight down and locks into the spindle, and then make sure it lines up well so these are freely moving and not really stuck. So with that being said as well, you just line the e-brake part through. What made it easier for me is I didn't put the spring in first, so I kind of put it on the side so it's easier to drag the line through. Then with the flathead, I just pushed it through here to push it forward. Then you lock it in, then you slightly pull the spring back forward, and you can push this a little bit forward to give you a little room, but basically you just want to lock that in there and there, and basically that is complete.